Welcome to our channel. If you have a reloadable card and want to activate it for direct deposit, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Locate the activation instructions that came with your reloadable card, which usually include a website URL or phone number. Step 2. Visit the activation website or call the toll-free number to begin the activation process. Step 3. Enter your reloadable card number and any other required information, such as the CVV code or expiration date. Step 4. Provide your personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number to verify your identity. Step 5. Create a username and password for your online account, which will allow you to manage your card and set up direct deposit. Step 6. Once your card is activated, log into your account and navigate to the direct deposit section. Step 7. Obtain your card's routing number and account number, which are provided in your account dashboard. Share these details with your employer or benefits provider to set up direct deposit. Step 8. Your reloadable card is now activated and ready to receive direct deposit payments. Monitor your account regularly to track deposits and manage your balance. You can also reload funds manually if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.